grandma is this? Whose grandma is this? She looks unbelievable. She looks so unbelievable because she's literally not real. This is AI generated. And maybe today you're like, well, yeah, obviously, Erin, we can tell this is AI generated. But do you know what? This is the worst AI is ever going to be. Today is the worst quality AI that will ever exist. And do you know what? Maybe you can tell that this is fake, but lots and lots of people can't. And sure, super sexy grandma is kind of harmless, but the AI is good enough to do chest wrinkles, armpit rolls. You think it's going to have a hard time copying your signature? You think that the older generation is going to be able to discern what's real and what's not? And I don't really know what to do about this, except to tell you, have these conversations with the people in your family that may be high risk. Talk to your kids about this. Be skeptical. Use the internet with a skepticism that you never had before. Create an AI safe word with your family, but you better believe our society is about to go through a major transformation. How we determine what's verifiable and not is going to have to change. Signatures are irrelevant, essentially. Video evidence is going to be irrelevant. So buckle up and have these really frank conversations with the people that might be high risk in your family. As always, I'll keep you updated.